Inflation, ouch. Markets selling off on hot inflation data this morning. Equities down, yields up. Dow down over 500 points, over 1.5%. S&P down over 80 points, almost 1.7%. NASDAQ down over 300 points, 2%. Russell, the small caps, down over 3.5%, its worst day in a year. Almost 90% of stocks on the NYSE, 75% on the NASDAQ are lower today. CPI this morning rose 0.3% in January from December. It was up 3.1% on an annual basis. Expectations were for a monthly increase of just 0.2%, annual at 2.9%. The 2-year yield jumped above 4.6% and the 10-year almost 4.3%. More data suggesting that the Fed may push any cuts back further in the year. ES Options and CME FedWatch tool, well, prior to the data this morning, CME FedWatch tool was showing a 58% probability of a quarter-point cut in May. That quickly dropped to only 35%. Big volume today in today's expiring 49.85 and 49.90 puts in the ES. At the money ES implied vol for Friday moving higher, now just under 13%. In Bitcoin, after a huge run and push above 50,000, the highest in 2 years, we're seeing Bitcoin down about 2% today, back down to about 49,400.